Hello, Paul here from AMD Automotive at Canberra, Sydney. Just finished putting this belt back on. There you got the brand new belt, brand new tensioner and pulley and the actual idler pulleys as well. That's all done. But just want to show you this front bar here. Look at that, it's all bent. See how bent it is? And they got silicone here. So someone have repaired this and didn't change this bar here, the crash bar. Alright, it was very hard to take it out because it's bent here, so I couldn't line it up properly with this part here. This part here. So those bolts there, screws there. Bolts go straight through to here. That whole bracket there. I couldn't line that up because it was all bent on this side here. That wasn't even on properly. That was just sitting on the corner there. This part here, sorry. The ambient temp was sitting there. Some of the screws were missing as well. So someone's been in this, probably done a repair work on this front bumper before, and didn't put everything back together properly. Even this wasn't even on properly. It wasn't clipped on here. I had to clip it back, so it's got it clipped on and go through a certain way. And I'm just realigning the headlight up so it sits properly. Because sometimes it looks perfect, but from the outside, but the inside, but when you look inside of it, it's not even that. Nothing's connected, so you can't tell because the front bar's on, front apron's on. Alright, so I've got the car running already. I start the car up. Alright, now the car started. Alright, that sounds good. Start the car up, everything went well. So what I do now is put the front apron on, put some cable ties on that, a few things there, because this is broken as well, this part here. So you can't clip it on, this part can't clip, this part here goes on top, and you can't clip it on because it's bent here. Alright, so I'm just doing my best to get it working properly. And then I'll put everything back together. Alright? Thanks for watching and please subscribe.